Ronaldo Luís Nazário de Lima, born on 18 September 1976, mononymously known as Ronaldo, is a Brazilian former professional footballer who played as a striker. He is the owner and president of La Liga club Real Valladolid. Nicknamed O and R9, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. As a multifunctional striker who brought a new dimension to the position, Ronaldo has been an influence for a generation of strikers that have followed. His individual accolades include being named FIFA World Player of the Year 3 times and winning 2 Ballon d'Or awards. Ronaldo played for Brazil in 98 matches, scoring 62 goals, and is the third highest goal scorer for his national team. At age 17, he was the youngest member of the Brazilian squad that won the 1994 FIFA World Cup. At the 1998 FIFA World Cup, Ronaldo received the Golden Ball as the player of the tournament after he helped Brazil reach the final, where he suffered a convulsive fit hours before the kickoff. He won the 2002 FIFA World Cup, starring in a front three with Ronaldinho and Rivaldo. Ronaldo scored twice in the final and received the Golden Boot as the tournament's top goal scorer. This achievement, viewed as redemption for what occurred at the previous World Cup, saw Ronaldo named the 2002 FIFA World Player of the Year, received the 2002 Ballon d'Or, and for his return from injury, won the Laureus World Sports Award for Comeback of the Year. At the 2006 FIFA World Cup, Ronaldo scored his 15th World Cup goal, a tournament record at the time. He also won the 1997 Copa America, where he became the player of the tournament, and the 1999 Copa America, where he was the top goal scorer. With the Brazilian national team, Ronaldo won all titles: World Cup, America's Cup, Confederations Cup, amongst many other titles. Although at the end of his career he was decimated by injuries, he announced his retirement on the 14th of February, 2011.